foggy vision and see what's going to happen. It appears to be Wormtail holding the remains of Voldemort, so feeble, like a baby.
Wormtail, I know I only look like a little defenseless baby, but you must listen to me. Harry will touch the portkey basketball, and we shall rule together forevermore.
Yes, Master.
That was very climatic, and now, your 2010-2011 boys basketball team. Number 40, Devin Stone. Number 4, Kyle Younger. Number 12, Alex Iverson. Number 14, Jake Nelson. Number 20, Dakota Thompson. Number 22, Christian Gaston. Number 24, Duke Dalton. Number 40, Zach Paul. Number 32, Shaq Paulson. Number 34, Brady Concoa. Number 42, Lauren Vandergrift. Last but not least, number 50, Gunnar Eckler.
So honored to have you here today.
Yeah, we hear you're an excellent speaker and very skilled with your broom.
Well, I mean, me and my fireball were quite the tag team. Sometimes I'm just good at stuff, you know?
Okay, all right. Well, we're gonna work on some footwork on the ground here.
Foot fire, go!
What I call basketball involved the ball.
You gotta work on your fundamentals, bro.
Whatever. I can go basketball.
Oh, the basketball was a portkey. What a splendid twist.
Where am I?
Petrificus totalis?
Wormtail, do it now.
Yes. A hair from Potter's head, some spit from me,
Yeah, gross.
snips and snails and puppy dog tails, sugar and spice and everything nice.
And pinnacle X.
The baby!
The Dark Lord shall rise again.
It's a road, I try to get out of the road.
You'll never win. Sportsmanship and love will win in the end.
Silence, you stupid boy. You're the only thing that stands between me and total sports domination.
Yes.
That's a new one.
Ha! Harry Potter. Finally, you're not going to win.
Not a chance, Malfoy. I will win.
Dementor, get him!
Expecto Patronum!
Enough! This is between Harry and I. I presume they taught you how to duel at Hogwarts. So, first off, we bow. Come now, Harry. Dumbledore wouldn't want you to forget your manners. I said bow!
Fine. Let's do this.
Lightning bolt! Lightning bolt! Lightning bolt! Magic missile! Magic missile! Shield! 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 Lightning bolt! I see your skills have improved since the last time we dueled.
Expelliarmus!
run and tell that, Dark Lord.
I feel bad.
Oh, Tom Riddle, you've been a naughty little boy now, haven't you?
Shut up, Ronald.
Oh, yes, Ronald. You expecting another itchy sweater this year?
Santa, a little help, perhaps?
Oh, of course. Now, Voldemort, stop right there. You've been a very bad boy this year, haven't you?
Oh, Voldemort. I was just kidding.
Now, don't lie to me. I'm a saint. Now, get in my sleigh. You're coming with me. Now, Merry Holidays!
Now let them play Quidditch.
Ron, have you changed your name? Yeah.
Oh my god. Yes! Yes!